Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open some display that we would like to capture, maybe the music. Allow. And if you would like to show someone that you have no music and you need to download it, you just can tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds. And now select the screenshot icon, so just click on it. And now that's it, the screenshot has been made. Now you can share it, edit it or delete it. So let's go back, let's go to the second method and the last one of creating screenshots. So let's open, for example, Google News. And let's go. And if you would like to show someone the news, just tap on power key and volume down key, just keep them all together for about 3 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made. You can click over here. Now you can open it with photos, with album. Let me open it with album. Choose always. Allow. And here is your screenshot. As you can see, here is the first one and here is the other. And now you can add it to favorites. You can change it. You can edit it. You can delete it or share with your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.